Hi guys, here we are at Barnby Lane level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go. Now I just got a call from my dad and he told me he saw the train that's coming. Yep, Clyde Poland and Osterfens down, so the train's coming from this way because my dad said that the train is coming. He's just seen go past the caravan site, so it's coming to us. Oh, good double! We just got like trains. We've got 2 trains coming. Here we go. I've just seen the train that's coming from this way, heading down south. Here comes the train that's heading down south. And here comes the train from north. You never know, guys. We could have a double pass here. The train that's coming from this way is a first class Adelante, and the train coming from this way, I suppose, is a 91. No, that train back there is too far away for a double pass. So the train from this way is going to come first. Yeah, the other train from that way is a 91, and the train from this way is a first class. On both sides, and here comes the 91. And up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.